date back to the ancient Silk Road, when traders, academics, and monks traveled the modern day Karakoram highway and laid the foundation of our friendship. Our 7-decade journey has been one of greater solidarity, deeper confidence, mutual trust, and mutual understanding. Our deep-rooted and iron-clad friendship has been nurtured by successive generations of leaders and people of both countries. We support each other on our respective core issues. Pakistan has always upheld one China policy and supported China on Taiwan, Tibet, Xinjiang, Hong Kong, and South China Sea issues. China has stood by Pakistan in supporting our key strategic, economic, and developmental priorities, while maintaining the principled and just stance. China has supported Pakistan on Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Collectively, we have rendered incredible sacrifices to preserve and promote our shared goals and common values despite formidable challenges. Our all-weather strategic cooperative partnership has become an anchor for peace and stability in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan-China friendship is rooted deeply in the hearts and minds of the people of the two countries. We have the finest tradition through difficult times. In line with this tradition, our cooperation against COVID-19 pandemic remained exemplary. After the outbreak of COVID-19, Pakistan immediately dispatched essential medical supplies to China for its fight against COVID-19. President Dr. Arif Alvi traveled to Beijing at the peak of the pandemic to express solidarity with China in its efforts to contain the pandemic. In global fight against COVID-19, Pakistan supported China's initiatives both at regional and global fora, including President Xi's declaration of making COVID-19 vaccine a global public good. Similarly, China provided us over 60 plane loads of medical relief goods to contain the pandemic. A team of Chinese medical experts also visited Pakistan to share experience and strengthen our capacity to fight the pandemic. Our cooperation on COVID-19 vaccine is also exemplary. China has provided us over 3.5 million doses of vaccine as a gift. We are also procuring COVID-19 vaccine on commercial basis. National Institute of Health in Islamabad has started local production of PAK vaccine with the help of China. We are grateful for China's generous assistance and support in combating the pandemic, first with prevention materials, medical expertise and equipment, and now with making vaccine available equitably to rich and poor countries alike. Distinguished guests, the main focus of Pakistan has shifted from geopolitics to geoeconomics. We seek to transform Pakistan into a progressive and an economically vibrant country through development partnerships, connectivity, and regional peace. As the flagship project of the BRI, CPEC complements our geo-economic priorities with emphasis on economic integration and regional connectivity. In the first phase, CPEC has helped us in infrastructure development and address our essential energy needs for economic growth and development. In its second phase, our focus is on industrialization, agricultural cooperation, socio-economic development, and job creation. The tremendous progress made in CPAC projects signals the shared commitment of Pakistan and China. In a short span of time, we have completed 19 projects, 28 are under construction, while 41 are in the pipeline. Over the past 7 years, CPEC power projects have created more than 26,000 jobs. In addition, CPEC motorway projects have created over 50,000 jobs. Despite COVID-19, CPEC has entered the new phase of high quality development. We will continue to firmly enhance CPEC, ensuring timely completion of the projects under construction and focus on economic and social development. We have prioritized 3 special economic zones in the second phase of CPEC. The groundbreaking of Rashakai Special Economic Zone was held on the 28th of May this year. We welcome businessmen and entrepreneurs from all countries to benefit from our investment-friendly regime and reap economic dividends from these special economic zones. Pakistan offers pivotal geo-economic location, regional connectivity, a huge consumer market. 19, CPEC has entered the new phase of high quality development. We will continue to firmly enhance CPEC, ensuring timely completion of the projects under construction and focus on economic and social development. We have prioritized 3 special economic zones in the second phase of CPEC. The groundbreaking of Rashakai Special Economic Zone was held on the 28th of May this year. We welcome businessmen and entrepreneurs from all countries to benefit from our investment-friendly regime and reap economic dividends from these special economic zones. Pakistan offers pivotal geo-economic location, regional connectivity, a huge consumer market,